cstrades101 gmail.com. That's where you can reach me. This is cstrades101 Wolfpack. So yeah, you guys can reach me. I was just reading a comment here. I think I got a bit of a video lag there. You can reach me at cstrades101 if you need to discuss anything. But first, go over, register with Christopher, and then we'll do a cross check with you and get you set up. I was just answering some questions as we can get that out of the way. Thanks, mods, for doing everything. So we're gonna get into this episode here. I was just doing some back office stuff here, just because we want to keep on top of everything. Just because some things are coming up in our favor that have happened. We've noticed we've keep track of all this data and stuff. A lot of things are very bullish on AMC and GME and a lot of these other stocks. So we're gonna jump into that this morning, and yeah, touch down on a lot of things. I wanted to say thank you for all the support with Have. His shirt and stuff arrived. He was actually wearing it on Twitter yesterday, so I just wanted to say thank you on that, for that, and all proceeds go strictly to him. Nothing comes to CS Trades 101, not even for doing the time for making this. That's our donation on our part as a family to him, and we will seal it up and send it down to him and get him to make a video or a podcast back to us, just to show you that we are legit on that aspect. I like to keep everything real on that, right? There's no reason for shenanigans, but really good cause to help his family out. He does have a bunch of kids and a wife and all that kind of stuff, so you know, every little bit helps. So I just wanted to touch on that this morning, and then there's a meeting at the hall meeting, CSI's channel. Like I said before in the last stream, that's up to you if you want to go over there. I'm not telling you to go over and support him at all, right? Especially for the Wolfpack. I just wanted to say that I don't do that unless we're starting up a new channel or something like that to show you guys that. But I just wanted to say that, and then Mass DeLorean, you go over and show him some love, and he's accepting some short videos, so he has a disclaimer over there, and I just wanted to say that. But yeah, the link, CSI has the link, so you'll see it on his channel, and I'm just supporting the cause. Okay, I'm not like, if whoever's doing it, doesn't mean that it's for everybody. It's not just for that channel. Okay, so when you go over there, just keep that in mind. If you don't feel like, well, I don't want anything to do with this guy, that's not what it's about. Okay, it's about the netity of this movement. Okay, keeping us all together and keeping what he has done, though, by doing that, he has given a link and an avenue to getting into where some things could potentially make a difference. Okay, that's all that this is. That's all I support. Okay, excuse me. So we need more volume. I'm talking quiet. Sorry, buddy. There, that's better. That's my fault. That's the one thing you asked down pros and cons with this mic, Froggy. This is one of them. It's weird like that. So just looking at some questions here. Okay, so good morning, Wolfpack. There, we got some people in here now. I was just waiting for some viewers to come in here. I don't know if I'm getting posted on any of the other channels. Oh, I didn't even share this, did I? Okay, so give me 1 second. We still got a lot of time here with Wolfpack. So I'm just going to fly over here, over to this. I can't remember if am I on Twitter? I forgot this doesn't restream over to everywhere. I forgot. I got to do this manually. Sorry, my friends. I know that because we got a lot of, starting to get some people on Twitter now, right? So I just want to, oh, Froggy, I fell asleep last night, dude. I hit a wall. I'll tell you the truth. I had some sundial there, half of that piece that I had before, and I had my nice supper as I showed on the server, right? Some Canadian, was it smoked Canadian bacon ribs? Oh man, oh my God, wow! Can my wife cook? Crazy. But anyways, that's that Newfoundlander in there. So yeah, she's a deadly cook. So I just wanted to say that. I fell asleep. I ate that and I hit my tummy, and then I just went and fell asleep on the couch, and woke up hours later, and then I've been up just messing around here. So yeah, I just wanted to say that, brother, sorry about that. I do want to. We're going to touch some bases this weekend. I just got some calls in the morning here, and I will talk to you because I know you're at work, making some money. So I'm just going to go over and do a tweet here. Yeah, we don't have one on here. We got 5 minutes before the market opens, and let's go do this. Let's go do this. It's Friday today. Request. The hell? We just got another. Sorry guys, I went went quiet there because we just got another offer for monitors. Somebody wants to sponsor us off of Twitter. I'll have to look into that. It looks legit. I'll have to look into it. Wouldn't be the first time. I always run everything past you guys, so I told you that. Okay, let's get into some stocks here. We got into that. Just reading some stuff here. Okay, cool. Okay, I'll keep on monkeying around with this. I'm just passing some time here, and I'm just getting this all set up here. Wolfpack. Sweet. Good. So yeah, I do want to get a touch on Sundial. I'm just getting some news over from the server right now that Sundial is... That thing's cool, man, how we can contact it so fast. That Sundial, where is it? Where is Sundial? Where did it go? Am I getting too clicky here? Sundial, right here. Yeah, look at that. 17.96. Let's see what happens. Keep my eyes on this one today. I'm just curious, right? Well, a lot of you guys own it, right? I don't, to be honest with you, but I don't mind watching stocks for sure on that. Canopy growth. Yeah, there's something going on here. This is good for you guys. If we can hit up over $1, would be freaking dope. Dope. And that is up to you. I'm not telling you to swing trade. Well, swing trading is like daily, but to reposition your Sundial, because everything runs in cycles. This will dip a bit, okay, and then it'll go back up, dip a bit. And the thing is, we don't know the levels it'll go up to, right? So you don't want to do it like on AMC, I heard somebody did that. You guys all know, swing traded AMC at a lower price and lost a ton of money. So they say. I don't know. The person that never shows any personal, not personal, but any information to do that he buys, sells. So we don't even know, right? That's why I do all my stuff live. When I bought my shares yesterday, another $2,000, I did it all live and showed you guys everything. I even sent the I even sent the order through live, pushing the button. You guys seen it light up? I just want to try to be real with everybody. Not that I have to prove something. It's just that there should be more of this going around, okay? Because such things can be changed, and you're thinking the person did this. Oh, hey, is this a good idea? And they didn't. You know what I mean? So I'm going to get into some comments here. I'm actually going to pull this down. Okay, so yeah, we went into the stocks era. I'm actually going to get... Whoa, that's bright. Just give me a second. Holy crow. Just give me a second for my computer to put a shader on there. Oh. Why didn't that work? Oh, whatever. It is what it is. You're going to have to put up with that for a second because I'm looking at something here for you guys. I'll give you guys some good news. What that's supposed to show? Okay. Let's give you some new news here. Breaking news. Breaking news. Breaking news. No, I don't know. It's not that breaking. I'm just messing with you guys. No, I'm just checking to see if... oh, wow. Wow. The institutions have actually shorted this a little bit more. There's more institutions that bought in on AMC. That number's gone up from 470 something to 482. So they're shorting this even more. I would have to look into the percentages, but I can see it. I just got a message right now that they've, through the SEC, has proposed to buy. So they've already got it. It's already gone through. So market open. Thanks, Wolfpack. I just wanted to share that with you. Okay, so let's get over back to Streamlabs. Streamlabs here. Okay, Wolfpack. Just gonna look at some of your questions here. I just want to start to see if I can get them. Okay, what does anybody want me to cover? A ticker beside Sundial today? What are we gonna look at, Wolfpack? What do you want to do? What do you want to make? Sorry, but what positions are you a little bit worried about, or want to educate yourself on, or because don't do anything without asking, and then you go do your DD, and I'll even show you how to do DD if you need to on certain stuff. Yes, the podcast will probably be out. Oh, right on, Bobby M, investor. Right on. Welcome to. Yeah, if you remember, welcome to the pack, man. I just seen your comment there. On the thing, welcome. Just got a bit of FOMO action, jumped in. Hey, man, it sometimes works out. It's you jumped in FOMO action. A lot of people do. That's what drove it up today. But if you would have done it yesterday, jumped on FOMO action, you would have been ahead, right? See, it's a catch-22 on that one. I've done it. We all do it, right? It's just human nature. That's what drives these prices up. That's what's GME and AMC are going to be like huge FOMO on that, like huge. Like it's going to drive that thing through the moon. Okay, I'm going to go down here. Let's see. Yes, thank you, Mr. L. Thanks, brother. My bald head is too shiny today, is it? Oh, guys, I'm sorry. It is. It's that camera. I'm going to be working on. I'm going to be getting. Hi, JP. JP's Bar and Grill is on tomorrow. It is. Yes, it's Saturdays. I'm promoting the wrong day for you. No, I'm not promoting. I'm just saying that I'm actually going to go over there. If I'm not working, late at that time, I usually go and stop in and to the virtual bar there and just hang out with him. It's pretty cool, man. I would recommend it. Okay, because he's a friend of mine. And I'm saying that, but most of the Wolfpack members do go there and hang out for a drink or two. What it is a virtual bar you pull into. You just pull a seat up, and he has a whole panel. It's pretty cool, and he does charts and stuff there. So if you say charts, you have to drink. It's pretty cool. It's a drinking game he made with the stock market stuff. It's pretty neat. I've been over there quite a few times actually. I might give the channel full support. Yes, I can. Yes, I can, Jason. See, I can. I'm gonna look up one right now. I just gotta get my screener over here so I can move. Come on, be nice to me today. Okay, I got my stock screener up over here. Okay, so I'm gonna put that ticker. I gotta catch up for you guys here. NN. DM. Somebody else asked up here. Mr. L. It's coming from a mod here, so somebody's obviously asked about this. Okay, it's down a buck. It's down 1.3%, which is fractionals. That doesn't mean anything. So let's get into here. So it's just a straight play, no dividend rewards. Medium-sized float. Right, it's about actually pretty small float. Sorry, I thought that was $1 billion there. So yeah, pretty small float here. It is what it is. So this would be easy to overturn if they had to. This thing's set at quite a bit of difference. It's the couple 100%. Because look at, you just add this up. So we'll look what it is right now. Roughly $4. So 4 and 4 is 8, right? That's 100%. So it's like 150%, almost 160% down. Okay, from what it hit to before. That's quite a bit to move a stock up to. You need quite a bit of, well, on here you need medium volume because the float's small. So just a whale bought in on this, yes, it could pull it up to that and a little bit more. So that's just one thing we'll look at on that. Okay, let's see what this is, because I don't even like to know what the company is until I do my technicals, or else I could become biased, okay, on myself, on a decision, okay? Yeah, electric, okay. Printing technology, and I don't know if I want to support that. If it was a money play, it's kind of, I'm still biting my lip on that. That stuff can, if they don't, I'd have to look into the company. Oh, they're old. Listing date, that's as old as me, man. So they've been around for a long time. Holy crow, that actually caught me right off guard. So I would have to look right in. I was going to give this to say a no on this one, just out of just what it is. But if they've been around that long a time, they've been through some serious stuff. 2008, the 15. It's worth looking into, right? So let's do that. Let's have a look into it. Okay, let's go into the start. We're going to do a 30-minute pull back here. Okay, so it does have pull-ups here. It does. When it goes though. These are all retail. This is all retail pushes. Every one of these pushes is a retail. Okay, so I don't see it, I don't even know the short interest on this, if it's even on the squeeze list. But I see that, look at this. You see this up pull right here? This is good. Right here, it's fine. You just don't want these like daytime up and then collapses at night, because that's where they're cashing out on you guys, right? But I don't see any of that. This is normal. But these up pulls, as soon as our market goes, it has a huge up pull. This thing's like, look at this. It's on an increase for sure, like 100%. Like, look at that. I could see this thing keep on going. I do see pretty good signs with this stock. You have to remember, we are in a market collapse, and I know we've had all these up pulls. That means nothing. That was just a dump of volume. So. Oh. What's Sanjay getting mad? Oh, he's got his new tablet. He's having fun. Oh, Warren's leg. Anybody let Razor out and fed him today? Has he been out of his cage yet? You can't leave him locked up for overnight too long, guys. You gotta let our werewolf out. Days of Thunder. Okay, so. Okay, other ticker symbol here. So I did mine on that. What do we got here? There, Wolfpack. You got me some other stuff. Have you? Oh yeah, we want to get JP over 1,000 subscribers by the summertime. That's another thing too. We have to. He's been on YouTube for too long. He's got to get his monetization going here. So I like to help friends out, and like, the guy's a hardworking guy, right? He goes to work every day, just like everybody else. Just wants to have his little sidebar going. So yeah, go show him some love, Wolfpack. Doesn't if that's what you need to do for a good deed for the day, it doesn't hurt by pushing just a button on your phone, right? You know that. Okay, Niall. Yes, I can. Thank you. Okay, Lyle. Okay, Dokie here. I see a little bit of institutional push and then collapse in the daytime on. Yeah, I'm starting to see a bad trend already. I'll have a look here, though. I'm starting to see some things I don't like already. Well, you can't do 1 minute on that. Okay, I do see a positive, so it's not that bad actually. It keeps on flirting with the VWAP line there lots, up and down. It just holds that volume consistently line. It's not that bad. I don't see any like sporadic huge dips. We've seen this huge pull up in the middle of the night, and it's sustained through the day. A little bit of loss in here. Right in this area here, it looks like that's definitely a ladder attack for sure. Somebody didn't like it. They tried to get it down. Didn't work for their advantage that well. Wow, it was down to 51 cents there at a while. So some people are making some money on this. There you go. It's up 15% right now. As I was saying, I like some things on this. I didn't even know it was up 16% and climbing. I had no idea. I was just looking at this just because, right? Isn't that cool? I'm glad. I should do that more often, because then didn't even look at to see what that was at 16. I did full technicals on that without even knowing, and then made a final decision. Then looked over and went, okay, that seals the deal. I was saying, like, this stock's not a bad stock. I had I had one negative, and I had like about 5 positives on it, and this is the 6th one. Look at that retail push, huge influx. A little bit of consult in here, and then down pull a bit, which is consolidation. We got a hammer right here. We got the body with the handle down here. Wick, same thing, right? Just terminology, right? And that's a bullish sign. Okay. So unless it's a reverse with the red on the top with the handle up, then that's a bad sign. That's a bearish sign. So overall on this, it's sitting on a low right now. It does trade up in the higher ends. So yeah, this one you can make some good money on it. I don't know how to look after looking at it more for swing trading, but today I would have swing traded this. There must maybe some news came out right here, or no, nothing came out. No news. I can tell by looking at it. I can tell that there's not enough volume there. It's just somebody just bought in and kicked this off. That's all. So somebody purchased right here. Yeah, see, it doesn't take much. A total of 20,000. Yeah, over 23,000 shares kicked this into a FOMO. Okay, it's gonna go. This one's gonna go. I can tell this is gonna go up probably in the 25 within a while. Okay, I can tell by the way the consistent volume is. It's just growing and growing and growing. So it might have run out of steam. Oh yeah, see, look at that, 1.5 million on a 1 minute candle. That's huge volume, huge. Look at that, the one before it. Yeah, it's building up steam. Look at that. See, 500,000, 700,000. See, you can tell on the size of the body of the candle. Like, look at this one. It's already at 1 mil right now. It's already at 1 mil. This one closed at 1.5. So this one will close in way. Oh, you had a reversal. That's just it. It might do some consolidation here, but the next level, this next level up here is you're gonna have an up pull on this for sure. If it was me, I would have jumped in on this earlier. I wouldn't jump in it now. If it was me, right? That's just what I would stay away from this. Unless it pulled back down into the tens, like 9 tens, I would have to see what the configuration is on the candlesticks and what they look like. See how long their wicks are. See if there are any pullbacks on the candle bodies, right? So that's what I would do. And you guys know what that means, right? Let me throw in some stuff out there. I'm going to jump in on the 500 SP. Okay, we do have a volume. Holy crow. We did have a lot of loss of volume here first thing in the day. But I'm just going to do what Froggy does. He does the 5 on that. Okay, so yeah, it's gaining volume back again. I'm just using some stuff that my brother Froggy Styles uses. I'm more of like a day hard-on trader that deals with the 1 minute, right? I do my pullbacks on a 30, okay? Preferably I like a 20, but I'm not going to go in there and change the settings on that, right? Because I've been using this for so long. But 2025 is what I like. The 30 is a little bit too much because you can miss a little piece of chunk of information there. But it is what it is for what we're doing. Oh yeah, and we are working on our stock. We're going to be having a Wolfpack screener. Okay, Wolfpack stock screener. We're working on it right now. We got our ID department designing something. So Wolfpack will have their own stock screener. It'll be identical to this. We're going to copy pretty much the template of this design, the system, how it runs. So yeah, it'll just say Wolfpack in the back here with our emoji on all the screens. And we're going to be running day trading out of here. So Wolfpack members, they're interested in the classes. We're going to be running classes off the server. If you want to enter into day trading, there's package deals. Okay, it will be between me and Froggy. So you can come into class with both of us to discuss things, or there'll be classes of just one-on-ones with me doing day trading, dividend stuff, that kind of stuff. We're going to be teaching on how to enter, exit, what you look for, what's compound interest, how do you build compound interest, what is the best way to build compound interest, how does the taxes work on these TSFAs and these compound accounts. There'll be a whole course on it, okay? That's what I will be teaching on the private server. Nothing to do with YouTube, okay? The purchase stuff is through YouTube up on the channel, but it's not there yet, okay? We're going to be putting a couple more tiers in there and on the server. So, and yeah, and there'll be different episodes. It'll be a class, like it'll be like going to school and learning like that. There'll be a space for me to just go into for your seminar. And then, yeah. You guys wanted this on the channel, so I'll give it to you. Right? I've been working on this that's what my side project said. I got something for you guys that it's 3/4 complete now. Okay. That's why I brought a bunch of IT people on board, like Connor, to do all of our digital graphing and stuff. You got to do it, right? We want to have some good stuff out there. You guys deserve it on the channel. You deserve the best of the best, and I'll try to give you that all the time. Okay. I just wanted to say that. So yeah, we're getting very close. I'll be working on more of that this weekend. So yeah, Wolfpack, I'm going to be getting hold of Ross, where you're trading, and talking to him about those offshore accounts. I still got that on my list. So hopefully within 1 month, we will be in full-time day trading, off of the server. Okay. When I go in the market with you guys, you're going to be in there with me live on your cameras with the same screener. Okay. So we'll be on the same algorithm. Everything the same. Okay. So I might do that on the if we can get one put. Actually, that is, I want one on there while the squeezes. We should have a screener available in there. Okay, I'll talk to them about that. Okay. Yeah, Wolfpack, awesome. Okay, so let's answer some questions on here. Whoops, I keep on clicking that. Make sure that I read everything here. Let's. What? Uh-oh. Did I say something? Hard on. Ah, Sanjay, I know you caught that. Ah, I did that for you. Did he just say that? What? Ah, you caught that. It only took you 10 minutes. I notice Miss Harris isn't here anymore. I said that and then I laughed afterwards. Yet she's probably gone after that comment. I slipped on that. I was joking around and you guys caught that, I'm pretty sure. Oops. So yeah. I love it. I love it. I love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Okay. So let's jump into some other stocks here. I seen some other ticker up here. And let's do this. What do you guys want me to look at now? Did he just say that? I love you guys. I like to keep you on there. Oops. Freaking beef juice everywhere now. Oil slick all over the place. Just give me a second here. Okay. Back up here. Whoa, I talk a long time. Holy crow, I waste a lot of airtime talking and babbling about stuff. Okay, did we cover it? And yes, we did. Okay, what's down below? Nile, we covered it. Oh, I'm caught up? I'm caught up? Wolves, do you want me to cover anything else that I missed? Slurp. Okay. Oh, yeah, Jonathan. Good question, StockWiz. Cool avatar, brother. I like it, man. You're right at home, eh? Told you, dude. You got accepted right in with open arms, man. They were waiting for you. The pack was waiting for you. Good, man. I knew you'd like as soon as you got in there, eh? It's just the way you roll into our VIP server. You got your masseuse sitting there. You got your nice little bench sitting there. You get served the drink when you come in. You get valet, man. Right? And that's just into the server. I knew you'd like it. Okay, so I'm gonna have a look overall here, over everything. I'm gonna actually go on the heat map this morning. We did not cover that. You have to remember it is Friday, so I'm taking it just kind of slow this morning. So yeah, Jonathan has his own channel too. Yes, I can. I can look at GME's options for sure. I can, buddy. Just 1 second, and then I will. Yes, thank you. I'm doing good, Jonathan, friend. Yeah. So Jonathan, friend, same thing. JP, they work together, right? They do the same stuff. Maybe not like work in the same channel, but they support each other. They're friends, right? Same as we're all friends, right? So he does, like I said, prospecting too. So they're this an entity and the same thing. All three of us do the same thing. Okay. Really cool stuff. Oh, Miss Beth would like that. Our teacher would like that channel too. Forgot to tell her about that. I should have linked that in the description on the other one. Okay, so American Airlines is having an up pull here, 3.12%. We're going to jump on it on the heat map here. Same thing as yesterday. Wolfpack. Notice how I told you to stay away from this sector here. Stay away from this for the next year or so. Yeah, the Amazon stock was, yes. Yes. Yeah, I agree on that, dude. I've been watching that. The Amazon thing. The thing is there's a lot of things I don't like about Amazon, but there's because a lot of people don't like it, and I know why. Okay, because of slave labor laws, and I'm 100% on that. It's just that sometimes like it's just so fast and efficient. It's just weird how they just totally got in their heads on that one. And yes, I've ordered stuff through there. I'm very open on that stuff. Okay. I know a lot of people say I don't order through there, and they do. I've seen that before too, because you can tell by the products that they sell them. So yeah. Anyways, so I'm gonna jump over here and have a look at this. Okay. Wolfpack, what time is it here? Well, I've been on for a bit. So I'm just going to check some stats here for you, my friends. And then I'm going to jump off of line here because I do have a busy day today. And I just got to do some video chatting privately. There's not that many things. I just wanted to touch. Oh, yeah, GME finance. Yes. GME is. Wow, we're getting an up pull. Didn't we say that this morning, my friends? And same with AMC. It switched. So our buddy that swing traded this is hating himself right now. He's losing large. Wow. We got a bottom bowl here. Okay. Look at that test. Look at that test down here. It tried taking it down and it had a huge retracement here. Wow. There's that sign again. Remember I told you it would switch over? That we've seen that down here. See? I'll show you something. Just you guys and day traders need to know this shit. Okay, so see this hammer. Okay, it's not the other way around. If it read with the handle up this way, it's the opposite. Okay, so this one shows that there's a bullish trend coming in. Okay, that's what you got right here. Okay, and then there's yeah. See how the body's growing smaller, right? Less, more volume. Those are up. Those are positive uptrends. And then you get one here. This is just showing that it couldn't obtain a long. There's no testing. So if there's wick down here, that'd be uncertainty. Okay, in the on this play on the market. But it didn't. It tested up. It pushed it back down. It couldn't even test the lower limit. It held solid. So what that means is that it potentially could 90% chance that this is going to be a green candle. Okay, we will never know how big it's going to get. Of course not. But we know that it didn't have a test down to a lower limit. It didn't even test the VWAP. It didn't even nothing. It didn't even hit a resistance at all. There's nothing there. It's a flat bottom. Okay. It did try testing to go higher. So see that it wanted to go up, but it had to pull back because it had to consolidate and get more volume. So this one right here, we're going to have a couple green candles. We tried to test an upper limit here. It did have a pullback, a retracement. So now this one over here will be probably about half the size unless it gets a substantial amount of volume. What I could possibly see here is we're going to get another red, a couple of greens, and maybe a red over here for more up pull. I could see this definitely going up into the 10s today, 10% for sure. I can see a lot of volume coming in this, even higher. Wait, what are we at? Yeah, this could hit in the 12s today. Oh yeah, we got a lot of volume coming in right now. And yeah, we got FOMO hitting the market, my friends, right now. 100%. I can tell. Look at that algorithm just bouncing. Look at that. Pull this up for you guys. Can you see that? Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, remember I said it might do a reversal here? Yeah, but don't worry about that. You need to have time out, I call it. You have to let this build and build and build and build until it goes boom. It has to release steam, and then it'll go up. No, Mr. L, no. No, there is no halting in post and pre-market ever. There's not a rule. Yeah, no, Mr. Al, brilliant, and that goes for every stock out there. Okay, there's no halting, and that's why we get this 100 to 1,000% potentially in post and pre-market. That's where the stock squeeze is going to start. Okay, I just want to be very, very clear on that. Like I've studied so many stock squeezes, and that one with nickel, the same thing. It started in after hours. Okay, so I want to be very clear on that. That's why you need to, if you were, this is what I do. I set my indicators, and it will wake me up, right? So there we go. See, I said we could have some consolidation here. So that's exactly what it needs, because these are high level. This stock has thick ass resistance points, okay, and to punch through them. So I could see the next one, this candle green, or if not, by this one green, okay. Same as AMC. Oops, AMC is getting this big up pull right now. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, proud. Oh, girl, you didn't have to do that. I had you on my list. Proud, I had you on my list for today. Oh, man. Love you. Sorry. Yeah. I've known her for a long time, right? And she's just a very, very good person, very caring. Yeah, I didn't forget about you. I'm just going through the comments here. Ouch. Ow. Give me a second, my friends. Okay. Wow, that's beautiful stuff. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Very beautiful. I liked what I see. Good. Let's get some consolidation. That's exactly what we want. We need it. And hopefully I see some red. Yeah. Oh, they're mirroring again. Look at this. Look at this. This is what we want. If this happens during the squeeze, these both are going to go. Both. 100% this will go. It has to. Okay. Look at this. I'm not talking the price. I'm not talking percentage. But look at the curvature on the bends on these algorithms, which candles copy that form. Okay, and what they will do is, if they're sharp like a knife edge, it'll go up and it'll be a knife edge. But if it's rounded, like these nice curvatures right here, where you have the 3 base candlestick and there's the same area, and it gives us this curvature form instead of the sharp knife jagged stuff. The jagged stuff is what will bring a scary uncertainty in the market on a squeeze. Okay, if it has curvature bends, it's more sustainable to reach higher levels and to stay there longer at those points, so you can reap the rewards from there easier. Okay, I just want to be very clear on that. Just give me a second. I just gotta put my thing in here. Oh. Okay. Okay. Guys, don't miss out on the squeeze. Okay. I'm gonna get into some other stuff here. Thanks, mods. Thanks, mod. Oh, I gotta dump that tip jar. That tip jar. Look at all the membership. Look at all the. Wow, that's crazy. Look at all the love in there, man. Thank you guys. Thanks for the support. I love that stuff. It's all good. And it's not money. It's just people subbing and just supporting us, right? That's what's on the top. That's what all those chips mean. If you guys don't know, on there on the jar. Okay, so what is it? Whoa. What? Just hang on. I just seen something here. It just changed. Damn. I'm gonna hit the refresh here. It went back green again. Okay, it was false income. This thing's up another 3%. Damn, I might have to liquidate this too. If this goes up any like another 10%, I'm gonna liquidate it. I'm gonna liquidate and buy some more AMC, another couple $1,000 worth of AMC, I think. I'll do it live for sure. I'm just very bullish in the AMC right now. I definitely know something's happening. I don't know when, of course, and you guys know that I usually don't speak up unless I can see it. So there you guys go. There you go. Remember we talked about this? I said it's going to have a couple red, and we're going to see another up pull. There you guys go. That's how you do day trading. See that? You would have made some good money there, right? If you were day trading. This is GME. I don't recommend. I'm trying to teach candle reading, okay, in general. So so that's what you do, is you just read these, okay? And I'm not talking like, just forget it's GME. Totally forget it's GME. I'm looking at this curvature. I'm trying to show you guys something. The curve on the sweeps. See how they're nice, and it's really easy. Okay, so there you guys go. Just listening. If you're just listening at work, this is subconsciously we got a bull here. Will subconsciously sink in, and then you'll be day trading, and you're like, why did I do that? And you won't know why you did it, and then all of a sudden you'll make money, and you'll go, holy crow! It's because your subconscious mind picks things up like that. Look, sundial. Oh, fused cobalt is up too. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is gonna be delisted on me, guys. I'm gonna lose a lot of money on this. It's gonna be delisted. I gotta pull this out. I gotta cash this out, this position. Fuck, man, that's bad. Yeah, I'm gonna. Shit. Fuck, that's a lot. I lost like $3,000 on that one. Well, I only got a couple entry. I only have a couple points where I've lost money. The rest has all been hits, right? Not bad, not bad. I'm not complaining. I'm just being very transparent with you guys, right? Yeah, I got 2 shitty positions out of like fucking 20 or 30 of them, which is not bad. Okay, Wolfpack. I'm gonna look in here and see if any questions here on the bottom. Oh, I haven't had much. WebEx is giving me issues. Okay, me issues a week. I did get that. Proud, I did get that, but I wasn't even on the server. I just got back on not the day before yesterday. You're still kicking, okay. Proud, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna send you I'm a link on Google Meet, and we're gonna get you hooked up on WebEx. Okay, you have to be over there. You're an OG. Yeah, you didn't need to. Oh man, I'll talk to you later privately, but. Just like it's kind of like, almost all of you on here, it's like kind of like you are a family, right? It's just I get an emotional attachment to like somebody when they go through bad times. It just really, I take a lot of it on myself, as you guys can tell with Have and just people in general, and it's just me, right? It's kind of hard to try to hold yourself back when you're yourself, right? Of course your stuff, you start to learn something about somebody, but yeah. Best wishes to your mom. They're proud, for sure. And Have too. Okay, so sundial again. We'll jump on this over here. Okay, we're getting some consolidation. No, it's below the VWAP though. Mr. L, don't get yourself into trouble. It's not worth it. Okay, Wolfpack. I'm looking at any more questions. Okay. Yes, I do. Dominique has a question. Any thoughts to day trading AMC for beginners? Day trading AMC for day trading, swing trading AMC? I don't recommend that. Oh yeah, you can't day trade for. Oh, okay. I read your second question afterwards. Yeah, you're gonna pull a Teddy Z if you do this, and you're gonna hurt a lot of people. I'm not that I'm putting him down. It's just that I just don't like you guys losing money. Like that's not cool, man. What that play was totally not cool. What he did. Like, it's as bad as the Clove thing going on. Like the stupid talk. Like that. Sorry, that's just irritating. Yeah, you could do it on the side, yeah, but just be careful. Like I said, buying and doing that don't make you kind of, yeah, that's the kind of an open topic there on the interview of saying that there's certain people that do it. Mostly our channel doesn't. I don't recommend it, but if you do it, Wolves, it's up to you, right? I don't want you to, I don't force you into doing anything, right? And that's not my intentions at all on anything, right? It's open Panini. Yes, I can. Options chain. Yes, I can. I can. Thank you. Okay, here you go, buddy. Like I said, I don't do options, right? But I'll look at it for sure. Okay, strike point for today. Oh yeah, it's options. Yeah, so that's why they're shorted at. There's some short interest that's climbed up on this. So GME is trading at 152.58 right now, 7.29%. AMC's going too, guys. AMC's on a go. I told you this was gonna go. It's gonna go for a little bit. It's gonna go for a little bit of a ride today. I can see it. I can totally see it in the market right now. So the options on this, there's 50 some odd days that they have to. They're gonna have to close their. That's the monthly options. So both. Oh, 7 day right here. So this is the 7 day. Okay, I don't know if you can see this on your phone. That's why I don't like doing options that much on here. So yeah, that's crazy, eh? Oh, thank you. Ryan Mail. I can't believe you are really going to help us with the squeeze. Thank you so much. Yeah, I know. We're the only channel doing it like this. I don't mind. I want to get in there. I love doing what I do. I'm passionate in this. It's not just I love making money, of course. I love it, right? But there's more to it than that. Okay, I just love hanging out with you guys more than anything, or else it'd be pretty. I don't know what TA means. Pull the TZ. I don't know what that is. So I'm going to be very clear on this. This is Froggy's forte, okay? I'm just over here showing you the numbers. Okay, I'm not going to make I'm not going to put any points or anything on this because it's not my forte. Like I'm like an apprentice on this stuff, okay? To put it that way, that's a good way to like for all the tradesmen, you know, I'm apprentice on this stuff. Maybe second year apprentice. I don't make comments on anything to do with this, but I will put the screen. Here's the puts, calls and puts, okay? I'll show you both. These are a single on a 6. So yeah, Dominic knows how difficult it is. He knows how difficult it is. That's why I'm very, very yeah, how's that works in the market, Dominic? If we find out, we'll be smart people. We're trying to work on a lot of that. I think that's what you're meaning on there. Excuse me. So I'm just gonna leave it at this. I'm gonna go put it on the both again so you guys can see that this is GME. Okay. So I'm not gonna start busting all these weeklies out here. Weekly 100 on the lower chart. So I just want to get that. I know I'm very vague on this, but I will. If you guys want to see it, I'll show you. Okay, that's all. I'm learning. I'm learning on this stuff off Froggy. Okay, and I'll never stop learning for you guys and for myself. I probably will do options one day. I could see it. I could see it happening. But I definitely would have Froggy Styles with me, beside me. Okay. Good. Okay. Wolfpack. I'm gonna wrap this, my friends. I've answered all your questions. I'm gonna get set up because I gotta do some live video chats with some people now. So you Wolfpack mods. You're gonna be a big chunk of influx today. And thank you. You got your day set out for you. It's gonna be a busy day, mods. I'll be on the live server and later on at 9 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. Wolfpack members, please do not just go from inside the server right to the thing. We're testing out our email. So if look in your emails, And if you do have it in your spam, now's the time to unlock it. That's why we're doing this. We are prepared. We are going to be prepared right when the squeeze happens. We can just launch and go into our private server away from everybody. I'll be on YouTube live, right? But I have a mute button, a hotkey set up. So when I describe when I'm selling or anything, if I think it's going to go up double, that will not be disclosed on YouTube. That'll only be on private server. What my positions are and what we're going to be doing. If we're going to be doubling down, if we're going to be doing this, are we going to pull, leave it longer for the next push? All that will be private server stuff. Okay, that I would get vaporized on YouTube so friggin' fast. Poof, gone. You'd see us trades would be toast. So I know what my legalities is, and it's illegal. You can't be doing that, so we won't be doing it. But I will be having YouTube run, and I will be helping people as much as I can on YouTube. But I just wanted to wrap that up on that because some things are looking very, very good in our favor. This would be we had a 5-day run, we had a day break, and now we're into another day, closing on a Friday. Usually stocks go down on a Friday. Okay, majority of them do. If you look at the overall trend. Okay, love you, Wolfpack. Peace. Oh yeah, I'll be on with Froggy Styles this afternoon too. Peace. I knew I could make you guys.